How to make Instagram carousel post or the slide post. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through on how you can make Instagram slide post or grid post. Well, if you want a single picture in 3 grids and you want to post it that way, right? Then here's what you can do. You can head into your browser and you can search in for grid maker, Instagram, and you can head into any browser. Now you can head into Carousel Maker, or you can head into here and then tap on upload an image and go ahead and proceed here. Now you can also choose image here, so up here set your options and do so. You can use any others as well. You can see Carousel Maker, clip to upload picture. You can upload photo here. So let me upload a picture here real quick. Then tap on done. Once you have selected the image, you can choose the grid format here. First select it square, then you can select carousel, how many columns that you wish. So I'll select 3 and I'll tap on split and preview, and you can see here now I have it. Now make sure it is on square so that you can resize, you don't have to resize it while uploading. Now you can go ahead and download this zip file. Under it you'll have 3 different pictures which you can upload it turn by turn to set it on Instagram in a correct formation. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.